Liam and Daisy are school friends. They meet at a bookshop and talk to each other.
Hello, Liam.
Hello, Daisy.
How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I am fine too. What are you doing here?
I am looking for some books.
What type of books are you looking for?
I want to buy a book as a birthday gift for my younger brother.
Oh wow.
He likes storybooks. Can you help me in choosing a book?
Sure, Liam. Here, this is an interesting storybook. I think he will like it.
Yes, it is a good book. But he has got this book.
Okay. Hey. Let's see. This book has very interesting stories with sketches and drawing. You can buy this one for your brother.
Yes, I should buy it. It looks quite good. I am sure he will like it.
I think the same, Liam.
Thanks for your help, Daisy.
You are welcome, Liam.